Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a quick tutorial on how to create a custom color palette in Procreate. So first, make sure you have picked an inspiration photo. You can pick one from Pinterest or Google Images and save it to your iPad. So I've already picked one and I'm going to import it. Okay, once you've imported it, you can blow it up any size you want. It really doesn't matter. Let's put that one like that. Okay. Now, what you can do is go over to your color panel right over here. Go to palettes, click the plus sign, and it made you a brand new palette. And I'm going to rename it Custom Palette. Okay. Now what we're going to do is go over to our color picker. So my sidebar is on the left, yours might be on the right depending on if you're right or left-handed. In the middle of your sidebar is your color picker right here. So you can see when I click that square with rounded edges, it brings it up. And what you do is you bring this color picker over whichever color you want. So let's start out with the yellows. Let's pick a light yellow and then go back over here to your color panel. And then in your custom palette, just tap a gray square and that saves that specific color in your color palette. And then let's go back to the color picker. Maybe let's do a more orangish yellow and then tap again. And there you have that. Let's do some more. Let's do these light gray greens. Tap right there. And then maybe a light kind of salmon, peachy looking color, a light pink I like, maybe another green, and let's get the light blue from the ribbon. I really like that too. And then let's do one more, maybe one of these. Yeah. And there you have it. It's that simple. And this palette will be saved indefinitely in Procreate. So whenever you pull up a new canvas, it'll be there for you to use. And that's it.